In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide active now status on Instagram. You probably don't want your followers to see when you are active on Instagram, and for that matter, you want to hide your online active status. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram app homepage, when you navigate to the top right corner and locate your message icon and tap on it, you see the list of your friends and those that are active, having this active now status on. In order for you to hide yours, all you have to do is to navigate back and scroll down to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on the top right corner, proceed to tap on this 3 ellipses. Then continue to tap on settings and privacy. You will land on an interface like this. Scroll down until you locate messages and story reply and tap on it. This will bring you to an interface like this where you have tons of options. In order for us to hide our active now status on Instagram, you have to proceed to tap on show activity status. So this will drop you to this interface where you have the option to toggle show activity status off. And once you toggle this off, that's it. You have successfully hide your active now status on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.